How to fix Discord server link invalid or expired issue on Android. So if you want to fix Discord server link invalid or expired issue on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Discord at first. After opening a Discord, you need to go with a server, any server that you're comfortable with. And once you're on your server, you need to just go with the server name, tap on it. And under your server name here, you will have invite option. Once you tap on invite, now you don't need to tap on copy link. You can just simply go with edit invite link. As you can see that your link says it expires in 7 days. So if the link is invalid or expired after 7 days, then you need to go with edit invite link. And here you need to select expire after and then tap on never. And maximum users, you can go with unlimited and then go with save, which is on the top right. And now you can go and copy the link and send it to the person, or they can just go with the previous link and they'll be able to join your server. That's how you can fix Discord server link invalid or expired issue on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.